Welcome to xhosa predictors. As usually, this is Wednesday, and now we're gonna talk about the final that is between Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates so far is doing well. There are two things that's happening between these two clubs. When Pirates is playing with Sundowns in the league, Sundowns is dominating Pirates. But when Pirates is playing with Sundowns in the cup, Orlando Pirates is always winning the cup. So my question is to my guest now. In this 31st, which one is going to take this cup between Pirates and Sundowns? What is your take on that?
Thank you very much for having me, Mr. Class, and I'm happy to be back on xhosa TV. Mr. Class, in your question, when you see Pirates and Sundowns, they are the greatest teams now. They are the best teams now on our league, and you can see in the race between them. Another one is bowling on DSTV league. Another one on the Cubs is bowling. I see the derby of Mr. Guardiola and Mr. Klopp of Liverpool.
Yes.
So Guardiola is good in his ability of combining players, of grooming players, but Mr. Klopp of Liverpool is also good when it comes to playing. We are talking about the River of Pirates. When it comes to playing, he's the best. Even now, I'm sure he knows what he's going to do against Sundowns. But as a Pirates supporter, we are hoping that the history will repeat itself, because we have been seeing what is happening. Sundowns is always an upper hand when they are playing Pirates on the DSTV league. But Pirates always beat Sundowns when it comes to cup games. So we are hoping that. And when you look at the performance, we saw Sundowns at the end of the season dropping a little bit. If you see how they lose the semi-finals of CAF Champions League, how their last 3 games they play, they were not that Sundowns we know. And when you go to Pirates, they were house on fire. Let alone that they were struggling to get the second spot on the DSTV league because of the performance of Stellenbosch, who were so superb, who were so good on the league. So I think it's a 50-50 game, but I see Rivero winning the cup because of his tactics, plans, and even his boys. They know him very well now. And there's this fight between Pirates and Sundowns when they are playing together. And you even saw the players of Sundowns crossing to Pirates, the legs of Kapinga, Kemita Rasmus. Now it will be easy for Pirates to play against Sundowns because those two players, they know Guardiola, now. They know Rolani, how he's playing, his style. So it will be easy to take it to Mr. Same as that side of Tim Boss Lodge. You will tell Mr. Rolani how Mr. Rivero is playing, how he's preparing this game. So it will be a tough game. But I see Pirates making South Africa happy, because another thing that will make Pirates win the game, Chief supporters, they have an anger against Sundowns. They don't like Sundowns. So it will be united. Now it will be a 12-man against Sundowns. I see Pirates winning because of the crowd that will be there, because the whole Mbombela Stadium will be full of Pirates supporters, including its Chief supporters.